Greetings and welcome to my channel. In this video today we are going to discuss how you can earn money and make money online here in Nigeria. In this video I'm going to share 6 ways you can earn money online in Nigeria, and I'll be telling you the most effective way. If this is what you're interested, please do give this video a like and stay tuned as we discuss this together. If you want to earn money in Nigeria, there are many ways you can earn money in Nigeria, but I will share 6. Now, one of the things you need to consider in the first place, you need to know that earning money online in Nigeria is not for those that are lazy. It is a work on its own. Those that are working online, they work 24 hours. They work 24 hours. Let me say they work 24 hours. And if less than that, let's say they work up to 17 hours every day. 17 hours every day. Okay. Now, I'll be sharing 6 ways which you can make money online in Nigeria. The number 1 way is online tutor service. Now, you are a professional. There are different platforms where you can teach students that are preparing for exams. Maybe you are good in mathematics. There are platforms where you can teach students that are preparing for SSC exams, and parents that are looking for who will tutor their children via online lessons within Nigeria. And also, you can also teach international students online. You can decide to teach English if you're an English teacher. Online, you can decide to teach on some platform. There are some platforms like that which I may not be able to mention it here now, but there are platforms where you can teach online. There are several platforms online. And if you are interested, you can just comment in the comment section. Then number 2 is which you can earn money online is by what we call drop shipping, selling others people's products. There are people that has product to sell. If they can give you a trust, then you can be able to help them to sell. Then if you are constant online and people know you, they can be able to purchase goods from you, release their money to you so that goods will be shipped to them. If you are constant online and you are posting about a product regularly, which they know at various groups. For a few years now, I've been a coach to so many, mentoring a lot of persons, even part of business aspect, online business. And I've been into mini importation for some years now. I was trained in 2014 and I started practicing in 2016. Okay, so that is the second one. The third one ways you can make money online is by rendering freelancer service. Rendering freelancing service. That means you are good in poster design, you are good in writings, you can help people to write online and they are paid, because there are a lot of persons that are looking for who can help them to write and they are paid. And some of these things are easy now, but you also need to have a strategic thinking to be able to put into it. And doing some of this write-up, there are platforms online where you can proofread. You can proofread the content and make sure that everything is correct before you will send to your client. That is the number 3. That is the number 3. So that is number 3. A lot of ways which you can design, writing, and all that. Then number 4, by running a blog. Running a blog. This is one of the hardest, but it's also another way. Now you can run a blog. You have a passion. You can convert the passion into writing. Write them and make it a blog. And when the blog matures to some level, you can decide to monetize it, and YouTube will be paying you. God will pay you for placing an advert on the blog. On the blog, you can decide to blog through videos and all that blog, and people pay you for the blog. Then another ways which you can earn money online is by um, helping people that want to shop. You can become their shopper. People that are staying overseas, you can help them to be shopping online. If they see regularly that you are always post about food stuff, you can become their shopper. You help them to shop product online in Nigeria here, and that you are paid a commission. Then another way is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. This process is the process whereby you go to a website, maybe it's a website design website, they sell software, they sell maybe on Junior, for example. You decided to share the product link and people decide to follow your link to buy. Once people follow your link to buy, you're going to earn some commission. You're going to earn some commission which will be paid to you. There is what Junior called J-Force. J-Force, there is a program like that. Once you help them to sell, even on Amazon, they have affiliate marketing and all that. Then I think this number 6 now. Number 6, where I'll be stopping today. Number 6 is that you can decide to put your passion into a book. This book, you don't need to publish it. You only make it an ebook. And you decided to sell this ebook online. You sell this ebook online. Once you sell this ebook online, there are different platforms. You can sell this ebook. You can sell it on eBay. You can sell it on Amazon. Different platforms which you can sell. You can sell this book online and you are paid. And not only Nigeria alone, people from across other countries decide to pay you for this book, buy this book online, and you are paid. Or people read on Amazon KDP, people read at the end of the month, you earn something. You want to know more about, or you want us to talk more about it, please feel free to send us comments. Says, I want to know more, or other topic you want us to discuss. Then we'll come until we'll come your way again. Ataba Friday, Junior. My name, I'm a meaning imported some years, and also train others and also mentor others about on business and also spiritual matters as well, things that relate about God. And I'm an evangelist by calling and also an entrepreneur. See you next time. See you next time again. Thanks for watching.